Okay, in today's video we are going to thread this hole that we prepared. I showed you how in another video. This is the threading attachment. My hand acts as the clutch. Also, in a previous video I showed how to make a piece of 3/4 inch Schedule 80 PVC so that it emulates the end of a garden hose. Here is a mandrel I made that will screw into. Previously, when I tapped these, I slid it on the hollow pipe mandrel, but it would start slipping after a while. So I thought I'll make a different system. So turn on the lathe. Now we'll get it down into pretty good low speed, and even though it's plastic, it certainly helps. Put some fluid on. Now I'm going to move this up a little closer. I'm going to turn it on. Put my hand on there to act as the clutch and feed. Okay, I'm going to let go. And I'm going to bring it out a little bit just to make sure that it doesn't get stuck in there. I'll put some more lubricadubra on that. Just need to bring it up to where the black shows. Now it might unscrew, which just looks like it wants to do. So I probably should have done one more trip. But not to worry. Be back in a sec with something to grab this sucker with. And since the outside here doesn't really need to be kept pristine, we can grab onto it with a normal Stilson wrench here. You can see, hopefully, let me get some little additional light. Maybe that helps, maybe that doesn't. Let's try a different light. See that there's threads in there. Now when I put a air fitting in there, I can screw this onto the sprinkler, and you can shoot some of them bottles per 80 high.